I watch it fall down to the ground, cut off the things that weighed me down. There's nothing left, I'm trying to.
Hello, and I'm Julie with Julium Studios, and glad that you joined in today to learn about how to load your digital planner. So there's two options. The first option is you would go to your Mac or PC, open your email that account that you use, either Outlook or Gmail or whatever it may be, and download and find the email that you've received after purchasing it, and download that zip file to the cloud. That could be iCloud, that could be Dropbox, OneDrive, whatever you use, and you have access to on your iPad. Once you've done that, then you would go to your iPad. Once you've downloaded the zip file, unzip it on your computer and make sure you have access to that cloud service on your iPad. The other option is to download it directly from your iPad. So you would open your email account on your iPad, and you will see something similar to this that would come from juliumstudios.com. There's a download file. That's going to be the download file that you're going to just hold down on that and say save to files. Once you've done that, I've already done that here, so I'm not going to do that right now. You're going to open files, and you're going to find that zip file that you just downloaded. Okay? Once you have that zip file, you're going to hold down on it, and you're going to hit uncompress. So I'm going to uncompress it. It's going to download to my iPad and uncompress. Now this is all my planners, but the same concept. You're going to get your PDF file will be in that zip file, and you're going to decide which one, or you're going to hold down on it and load it onto your iPad. So you're going to hit share. So you'll hold down on the PDF, and you'll hit share. Then you're going to scroll over to the more button. You're going to select more, and then you're going to go down this list until you find the notebook viewer that you use or app. I use NoteShelf. I've tested this PDF, this digital planner on NoteShelf and on GoodNotes. Works fully functionally there. However, you don't have to use those if you don't want to. You can use what you're used to, either Acrobat, Evernote, Exodio. Notably, there's several apps out there, but just know that this is tested, and I cannot guarantee that it works on other apps, but I know that as of today, it works on NoteShelf and GoodNotes. I like the interface in NoteShelf. It's a little bit more user-friendly and more like a real notebook to me. So you're just going to hold down, find the share button, scroll over to the three dots, and then scroll to find your app that you're going to use. Mine was NoteShelf, like I said, and now it's open and fully functional. Okay, so it's that simple to open and download your digital planner, and it's ready to use. So grab your stylus and get to planning mindfully with action. Until next time, just email hello@juliumstudios with any questions, or subscribe to my newsletter where I give a freebie every month and lots of different announcements.